Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good and having a good day. In today's video, I want to chat to you guys about GNUS Brands, so ticker symbol is GNUS. From my last video, the share price of GNUS Brands was at the 100 moving average, so I believe that this could have served as a very good dynamic support. But since then, the price has broken that 100 moving average. So in today's video, I'm going to have a look at the price action, and also GNUS Brands has made a number of announcements, which I believe fundamentally could help drive the share price up in the long term. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Weibo. If you like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link in my description box below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So if we have a look at the chart of GNUS Brands, as we can see, the share price has broken our 100 moving average. Now technically it's acting as a dynamic resistance. So the share price continued to fall down to this support. So the support at $1.44. And the support looks like it's holding as there's a massive bullish engulfing candlestick. So the RSI value fell down towards oversold territory, which means on a technical note that the bears are potentially losing steam and the bulls are about to step in and drive the price higher. Seeing as the pre-market right now is at $1.62, so it's lower than yesterday's close at $1.63. So I believe the share price might fall and retest this support. Then have a look at the RSI to see if there's RSI divergence, and this will be a key indication that the bears are losing steam and this support is holding as a very good support. So if I have a look at the MACD, so for a while there's been a dead cross, basically meaning that the bearish momentum is strong and has been strong for a while, because looking at the histogram, the volume has been increasing. However, since the share price reached the 100 moving average, the volume on the histogram of the MACD has been decreasing, and it looks like there's some convergence. A golden cross is potentially about to form. So basically what we're looking for now is, first of all, to see if the share price falls and retests the support at $1.44. And also if it does this, then we'll have a look at the RSI to see, you know what, is there RSI divergence? And if there's RSI divergence, then this basically means that the bearish momentum is coming to an end, and especially around the support, it just means that there's a lot of demand, or potentially a lot of demand around this support, which shows that this support is going to hold and possibly bullish momentum building up to drive the share price higher. And another thing we're looking for is the MACD. So basically looking to see if there's a golden cross on the MACD. So on a fundamental note, GNUS Brands as a company, they're making money moves. So they're signing deals with the likes of Netflix, Amazon Prime, and other streaming service providers to show their show Rainbow Rangers globally. They're also working with the likes of Hollywood heavyweights such as Arnold Schwarzenegger to star him in the new show Superhero Kindergarten. And also GNUS Brands, they're partnering with Cinedigm to bring new content to Cartoon Network. All of this is great fundamental news for GNUS Brands, because one, they'll be able to go global, so they'll have more of a global presence, and also they'll be having mad revenue streams, because if you've got shows going global, they'll effectively have a global customer base. This is even better news for us investors. GNUS Brands, the fact that they're going global, they'll be able to expand, they'll be expanding effectively as a company, they'll be growing as a company, which means that they'll be able to invest more into the company and there'll be more recognition. As more people are taking note of the business and they're having more of a global presence, then more investors will be hopping on board, because they'll be believing in GNUS Brands, and then they'll be buying up GNUS Brands stock and therefore taking the share price to the moon. So guys, just remember, if you own GNUS Brands stock, then holding this long term I believe will be most beneficial, as all this fundamental news being great, you won't actually see the effect of this news on the share price for quite a while, I believe, because fundamental news usually plays out over time. So if you enjoy the content I put out on GNUS Brands, make sure you guys subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further GNUS Brands uploads that I put out. And if you like to support the channel, make sure you guys sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.